Good day everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing pictures. I know you might have seen pictures like this on your social media, all these funny pictures like all this one, a father pushing a child running, a mother pushing a child running beating. There are many pictures online that are very funny. Those are the trending AI images. I will be showing you on this channel how to generate those pictures for free. Make sure you stay to this video so that you can get it in details. I will be showing you how to do it on your laptop and how to do it on your phone for free. So let's dive into the tutorial in details. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get latest of this video anytime I upload a new update on this particular channel. So what we need to do today is to have a Microsoft account. We have a Microsoft account. You know, Microsoft have their own browser which is called Microsoft Edge. So under the Microsoft Edge, you go to www.bing.com, or you search on Microsoft Edge. Just search for Bing Image Creator to get to the website. So this is the website where we are going to create our amazing pictures. You can see under this bin they have many things you can do. They even have AI charts that you can chat, but we are not going to AI chat. I will be discussing about AI chat maybe in my next tutorial so that we can know how to use it. I've been using it for many times, but let's go back to where we come for today class. Make sure you subscribe if you need more details about the AI chat on this bin. So I will be showing you now what you can do, how you can get all those amazing pictures from Microsoft for free. Now me, I have a Microsoft account. You can see my name is showing already here. This is my Microsoft account. What you need to do is to use your Gmail account to sign in, and they will send a code to your Gmail, your normal Gmail account. Then you put it here, you continue. Even if you are using mobile phone, it's still the same process. So me, I've been using it. You can see I have 149 awarding gifts from them. Now this place, now I'm having a coin. This coin is what you are going to be using to generate images. Me, I have 92 coin, which means can generate a lot of images. Now if you are signing in for the first time, they may give you like 15 images, 15 coins per day. So that 15 coins per day can generate images for you. Once you generate that, once you are exhausted that 15 coins, you need to come back another day and generate another 15 coins again before you can start generating images for free. Or if you want to buy from them, you can buy from them and start generating unlimited images as you want. So now, what is image creator? On this bin, what is image creator? I'll be taking us step by step. Now, image creator is a product to help user generate AI images with DALL-E 3. Giving a text prompt, our AI will generate a set of images matching that prompt. So we can see this is the meaning of the image. Then how do we use it? How do we use the image? Sign up. I've said this one earlier that you sign up in a new Microsoft account or log into an existing one. New users are granted 15 boosted generator for image creator. Your image will be stored for 90 days. Wow. So on this particular profile, any image that you generated will be stored for 3 months. Even if you download it, maybe your phone, you delete it, you can still come back within 90 days and still come and get it back. Wow, this is an amazing. So this is an amazing. Is there a waiting list for image creator? There is no waiting list because it's already here and it's free. And it's free, there's no waiting list. So it support language. I'm using English. Okay, now wow. They said this image creator supported over 100,000 language for full list of supported. You can see it now. They said that this language support over 100 languages, which means if you are using Arabic, if you are using Greek, if you are using Hebrew, any language you are using, you can put it here and check it out. But I'm using English in this particular place. Now I'm in Nigeria, so I'm using English. I can also use other language. I'm using English to generate my images. Now, how do I create a better prompt? Now, creating an image with image creator work differently from searching for an image on Bing. It works best when you are highly descriptive. So get creative and add detail of adjective, location, even artistic style such as digital or photorealistic. Here is an example. You can see what they give us here. Original prompt. Descriptor. Include picture of an astronaut in a glowing suit made of plasma and if the glasses inside of it, putting on their helmet, but you cannot see their face because of their face. So now this is a prompt of the images, and let's try this one out. I have unlimited coins. I can easily try this one out. Let me try also to show us what I have been. Where is it? I have been what we have been talking about on this tutorial. Let's just practice this one out. Me, I will go. I will just copy it and come here. Let me paste it here. I think I've copied it. Sorry, I think I've copied it. Okay, no copy. Now we can see it now. So I will paste it now. Just click enter and let's see what the system will generate for us. This is their sample. Let me just try. Let's see what the system will generate for us. Before we now try our own, you can see all the images on this corner are the images I just generated. All these images I just generated. I'm still going to show us, but let's see how this one work. Let's see how this one work. Which means we are creating an image, an AI image of an astronaut on this prompt now. Wow, wow, wow. So we can see what they just generated for us now. When we ask the question, you can see now. Wow, you can download your image, you can customize it. Now you can share it. Now let me ask another question to use that as an example. Let me say create a warrior, create image, create image of a lady warrior holding a sharpened sword on her hand. So let's see what they are going to give us now. I will just click on create and let's see the result in a couple of minutes, and let's see what this system is going to give us. You can see the more I'm doing it, the more my coins is reducing. I have 92 before, now I have 90. So this is the coin that you'll be using for free to generate this particular AI. So now I will encourage us to be using this browser. If you are watching with your laptop, be using this browser very well, so that the more you are using the app, the more they'll be giving you coins for free. Then you can come here and be generating. The moment you are browsing on this app, they will be giving you the coins for free. So now you can see the images of a warrior that was generated for us. Wow, wow, wow. Let's search it. Let's see. You can click. Can click to check more. Wow, this one is very good. It's very beautiful, and we have a shark. Wow. See this one too. See another one. Wow. So this is the work. This is how this thing works. And you can try it on your phone. You can try it on your laptop or your iPad or your tablet, wherever you are. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get latest updates on how to use this Microsoft Bing. I'm still going to put more tutorial after this next class. I'll make sure I watch this video, comment in the comment section, and I will be glad if you subscribe and share this channel and share this video to your loved one and your loved friend. Alright, see you guys next time. Thank you.